So I produced these little lead weights, and the material underneath is from IKEA. I think it's something my wife bought for the drawers in the kitchen, and she probably bought one too many, so she was going to throw it away, and I kept it because I thought, oh, I might be able to use that. So I didn't go overboard on the finish on these. Used gold color just because I thought it was fun, and I had a spray bottle. This one is a little bit bigger. These I will also use when I use those battens. And I have 3 types of material. This is mylar with, I think this is it's not carbon fiber, and this one has Kevlar in it, and the top one is what I'm going to use for my 12 meters. So I'm almost ready to start making sails. So this is my little sail making area. I also made a curved ruler. Don't have much space here, but where these are adjustable, so you can set the amount of curve that you want. So if I want 1/2 inch, this is just to lock it, and this one is locked in the inner position. I'll loosen that, and I'll set it to 1/2 inch here, and then look this. This is my own design. Oops, small in here. So this is a straight edge that I bought for $20, and then this is just an aluminum extrusion. And then I used these pop nuts, or I mean, it's a little nut that you put in that gives you a thread in here. And then I bought, these were pre-made. I bought them at the hardware store. I 3D printed these. If anyone wants to copy this, I'll be happy to share the design of this as an STL file. 7 inches. That's 2.21 meters long. And Australia 2 is 1.93 meters long. We got some snow last night, so standing outside, wet sanding the mystery trail was quite exciting for my hands. I used warm water. I love the shape of the mystery trail. I think it's really cool. So this is the keel for Australia 4, and if you have followed my channel for a while, you see that this keel looks exactly like the keel I put on Kookaburra 3, and that it is made from the same drawing. And to the best abilities, I will make them as close to each other as I can, of course. It is a little hard when you sand cast, and I have applied quite a bit of the Hagman's spray filler, and I have a little news that the Hagmans are kind enough to support my channel a little bit with products. So I'm hoping maybe in my next video I will have a little unboxing to see what goodies I get from Hagmans. So thank you very much, Hagmans. Very, very thankful and grateful for that, and I love their products, and that's why I contacted them and presented myself. And as you can see, I use quite a lot of their products. Over here, Australia 2 keel. When I'm done sanding when I'm done sanding US55, I will take this keel out and sand it, sand off the spray filler, and I will make the bottom of the wings a little bit more curved to look more like the pictures I have of the keel. I will do a comparison with this keel versus the first Australia 2 keel I made, and I thought it looked pretty cool, but then when you start to do a deeper analysis of the keel, you realize that there's nothing right with that first keel I made. But it was good 5 years ago. So this is handmade. These are lead, and but the keel was made in, I poured it in a plaster mold. I had to make this out of divinacell or foam because it got too heavy, and this was before, so I had drilled, it was before I knew how to incorporate the keel bolts in the pour. So I thought this looked pretty good, but you can see a 12 meter has a certain maximum depth, and of course all this lead should not be hanging like that. So the new one, it forms a plane, and this goes up here, and from the pictures I've seen, so this is a horizontal plane now, and from the pictures I think I'm sort of close. I need to fix this. This should be straight with the radius, and it's got a little bit too big of a radius, but it's getting there. It's plus 5 degrees C, so I don't know, 42, 41, and I'm not sanding. I am crazy, I know. Thank you very much for subscribing and all your nice comments, and also your help for you that are in the Facebook group International 12 Meter. Thanks very much for helping me getting the lines on there. So boat needs a little filler in the bow. This is the plug, and it's starting to feel fairly even. What I do is I build up with the Hagman's spray filler, and then I block sand it, and then I fill again, block sand, and that's how I get a really nice even hull. This is US55 Stars and Stripes from 1987 win, America's Cup. And tomorrow, if everything goes to plan, I will pour the keel for it, so that'll be cool. So this is the keel for US55. So I'm wrapping up this video with, finally poured it today. I hope the design in the bow is pretty much how it looked. I haven't weighed it yet, but it looks like the solid model, so I hope it will be fine. Thank you very much for watching these videos, and I'm very excited to be having Hagman's helping me with material on the channel. So thank you very much to Hagman's. It's the products I prefer, and I feel very excited about getting help from them. So I hope everyone will have a good week, and hopefully a short update in a week or two for me. Well, have a good one. Bye.